Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to convert USDT to PHP on Binance. But before that, nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. This video is for informational and educational purposes only, so please do your own research. And with that out of the way, let's dive in. Now, since 2024, Binance is actually banned in the Philippines. So once you go to trade, you choose USDT and you choose to, PHP won't be on this list. But don't worry, there's actually a workaround for this. So to do this, you want to go to press home and you want to click the three-line icon at the upper left corner of the screen. From here, choose P2P, which is normally or usually found under recommended. Then from here, you want to switch to the sell tab. And then you want to make sure the currency is set to PHP. This is found at the upper right corner of the screen. So you want to make sure that this currency is set to PHP. After that, you want to filter the payment method and choose Gcash. So just choose this drop down, choose Gcash, and then confirm. You want to do this, you want to confirm the filter so you only see buyers who can pay via Gcash. Now, you want to choose a trusted buyer and look for someone with a high completion rate, ideally above 90% with a good feedback. This reduces your risk of issues during the transaction. Then, once you've chosen, you want to tap sell. And as you can see, it'll prompt you to verify because you can't actually do all of this once your account is still unverified. So if you still need to verify, just click verify now. But once you're already verified, after you click sell, just enter the amount of PHP you want to receive, double check the details, and simply confirm the order. And Binance P2P usually charges 0 fees for this. And that's it. Now you know how to convert USDT to PHP on Binance in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!